Joining me is India cricket legend Rahul Dravid. Rahul, first of all, what's something that you're here to promote? To promote an sort of unshaven look. But I guess a lot of Indian cricketers at the moment need the youngsters, prefer the stubble and the unkept look. It seems.
Yeah, it seems to be working for some of them, but I kind of like the clean shaven sort of look. Goes pretty well. So I'm sure in time they'll also change. but no, I think it's worked well for them. They played some really good cricket. So good luck to them.
Big win for Indian cricket, Rahul. It's a win that Indian cricket needed after all that happened.
Yeah, I mean, it was a great win for Indian cricket. I think just gladdened the hearts of so many people. Not only the fact that we won, but the kind of cricket that we played. I think that's to go abroad and to win a tournament abroad and win all the 5 games, and to win the way we did. I think was fantastic for Indian cricket and fantastic for a young team.
Rahul, I was speaking to you a day before the whole controversy erupted. The integrity with which you played the game, it would have shocked you, the news at the IPL.
Yeah, it was a shock to a lot of people. Not only me, I think it was a shock to a lot of people. It was a disappointing, time. But I hope that there are investigations going on and there are people looking into this, and I hope they get to the bottom of it and get to the truth. And because I still believe there are also still good people in the game.
India's next assignment, of course, is the West Indies Tri Series. You see India, having a fair chance to do better than the other two teams, taking the momentum forward at the Champions Trophy.
Yeah, I mean, obviously India is a form team at the moment, playing some really good cricket. Interesting to see what conditions will be like in the West Indies, but I'd say West Indies and Sri Lanka are pretty good sides as well. But you'd have to say India's favourites, after the way they've been playing.
Summing up, Rahul, full marks to the selectors for coming up with this team.
Yeah, brave selections, courageous selections, and this worked out for them. It would have been easy to, they could have got a lot of criticism if things hadn't worked out. So, when times go right, I think it's important to stand up and applaud the selectors as well and say, I think they did a great job.